Hello everybody, this is Jacob from Nexus and welcome to 87 Manville Road, Unit 1F, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. Now before I begin the walkthrough for this 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, first floor apartment in the front, I would like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel, where you will be able to view this listing at any time available on our site, and any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much. So we are going to begin the walkthrough of this apartment in the kitchen area. As you can see, it has plenty of cabinet space for extra storage in this kitchen, as well as a nice little closet space with its own light and plenty of shelving. So this kitchen offers plenty of storage. Some of the features in this kitchen include the medium-sized refrigerator right over here, the double-bin stainless steel sink with the spray nozzle, and the 4-burner gas stove and exhaust fan up above. As you can see, the walling over here is very nice and decorative, looks great, as well as the granite countertop. Looks awesome in here. And the kitchen does house a laminate wood flooring that continues out into the hallway next to the bedrooms. I should also add that this apartment comes with the rear entryway right here, which is a shared entryway, but the first floor also comes with, in the double parlor, a private front entrance. Very convenient for entryway. Very nice. Next up, we will continue into the parlor. As you can see, it has the bay windows right in the front, as well as the carpet flooring, which is also featured in the bedrooms. And I should also add that this apartment has gas baseboard heat throughout the entire apartment. Plenty of outlets in here for any electronics you'd like to hook up. And this apartment is also cable and internet ready upon move-in. Very nice. I'll show the private entryway right over there. All right. Next up, we'll move on to the bedrooms and the bathroom. First up, I'd like to show off the first bedroom, located to the left. And these bedrooms are basically the same size, I would say medium-ish. Should be able to fit a standard size, even a queen size bed in here, no problem. Another thing you'll notice is the nice fresh paint job throughout. Looks very clean. And the fresh carpets are nice. Gas baseboard heat once again. I should also add that this apartment does feature storage, as well as coin-operated laundry in the basement of the building. And you are allowed 1 pet in the building. It must be a smaller pet for a fee of $50. All right. Next up, we'll look at the bedroom to the right over here. As stated before, basically the same size. Should be able to fit a standard size queen size bed. Obviously, the gas baseboard heat is present in here, as well as an internet ready cable. Very nice. Awesome. And as a tenant of Nexus, you will also be granted the features of being able to pay your rent online, as well as granted access to the tenant portal to ask for any maintenance problems or any questions, and you're free to chat with any staff. Awesome. Last up, we'll look at the bathroom. Smaller bathroom, but obviously houses necessities needed. Features a stand-up shower right there. And as you walk into the bathroom, you will be greeted by the Nexus welcoming package, which features all your showering amenities. Nice little mirror right here, along with the nice little decorative sink with the cabinet underneath. Real quick, I'd like to show off the stand-up shower. Very nice, very spacious, and very private. Awesome. Once again, this is 87 Manville Road, Unit 1F, located in Woonsocket, Rhode Island. And I would once again like to remind everybody to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel so you can keep up to date with all of our listings that are available on our site and any news related to real estate and property management. Thank you very much.